International tourism has brought enormous benefits to many places. At the same time, there is concern about its impact on local inhabitants and the environment. Do the disadvantages of international tourism outweigh the advantages? Tourism industry has progressed by leaps and bounds since the outset of the globalization. In modern era, tourism has been the backbone of the economies in many countries around the world. Certainly, it has offered tremendous benefits to the governments and the local people, except some harmful effects. Coming to the advantages of promoting tourism, firstly, it provides numerous opportunities of employment to many people and they can work for their livelihood. As hospitality sector further has many work sectors associated to it, people get jobs in many forms. It helps to reduce the rate of unemployment and give people chance to live their lives more conveniently. Furthermore, tourism contributes in the development of a country as people from different places visit and utilize various services in the host country. They love to eat local food in local restaurants and pay for accommodation as well. In turn, it helps these industries to grow and exchange of currency also boosts the economy. However, some of the adverse effects cannot be ignored while appreciating the benefits related to tourism. The most prominent is the deterioration of natural beauty, as many beautiful places are now being cleared to build hotels for the tourists. Secondly, environmental problems are also being witnessed, such as visitors throwing plastic litter and rubbish here and there due to the visits of the people from different places at a local famous place. Local people are being influenced by the foreign culture. It is definitely causing threat to their own unique culture. After analyzing both the aspects of this problem, it can be suggested that effective government policies can make tourism a beneficial sector, so the negative effects can be overcome easily and maximum profit can be obtained from travel industry. Thank you.